Hey, it's Kyle from Growing Up Garden. On today's episode, I'm going to give you guys another update and show you how my potato towers are doing. Alright, so when I filmed this clip, the wind started blowing like crazy and I wasn't able to capture the audio. So what I'll be doing is I'll be adding a row of boards to the rose fin apple potato tower and to the banana fingerling potato tower. The other two towers are already at the top, so they don't need boards. And I'm just going to let the video roll so you guys can see for yourselves how the potatoes are doing. Alright, so that's the end of my update video, guys. I actually had to retreat into the garage to film this because it's just way too windy to capture any good audio today outside. So if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below so you can keep up to date on when I post my latest potato tower videos. And I'm also trying to get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible, so I'd really appreciate your help. And don't forget to share these videos with your family and friends. And I've got one more thing to say. We actually have a Facebook page, and if you guys want to check out our Facebook page, I'll put a link down below and you can check that out. And if I get my act together, maybe I'll start an Instagram page also, but there's only so much time in one day to do everything that you need to do. So maybe stay tuned for that in the future. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.